In this video, let's see how to make cute bookmarks that we can make in just minutes, so quick and easy. For the first DIY bookmark, we are taking a strip of cardboard, thin cardboard preferably, and cut them into half or any size we want. I am using Fevicryl pearl paints and dabbing with sponge. And mixing two colors. After they dried, we can punch a small hole on the top of the cardboard and we can tie woolen thread or some ribbons and we can write something we want or draw something. I'm writing my channel name, Craftiness. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. So now it is ready. For the second DIY bookmark, we'll take another piece of cardboard and here I am drawing a rack with books and a small plant. After coloring and punching a hole on top, we can tie a woolen thread and it is ready. For the third DIY bookmark, taking another piece of cardboard and I painted them black. Now, mark the middle point of the cardboard, start from there and make small dots. Creating a semicircle with various colors. And I made small white dots in the spaces in between and it gave a more attractive look. Now let us make a tassel and attach them with the bookmark. Our third bookmark is now ready. It is absolutely cute and you'll really enjoy it. Now coming to the fourth DIY, take another small piece of cardboard and make a small heart and cut them out. Now stick some colored papers on both the sides and let's take a thin strip of cardboard and fold them like this and glue both small sides. fourth bookmark is ready. We can just simply slide them from top and we can use them. Coming to the last DIY, we need a popsicle stick and a piece of cardboard so that it looks like a notebook, and we can fit in some papers and can staple them. And stick them onto the popsicle stick. Writing smile on the popsicle stick. You can write anything you want. And yeah, this DIY bookmark is ready. These are the 5 DIY bookmarks we have made now, and I hope you like these bookmarks and try them. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Craftiness.